Time for an NDTV Profit exclusive. Instant loan apps are now under the Income Tax Department scanner as they issue notices to 40 fintechs. And Shrimi brings us the report of what she has gathered from her sources. Shrimi, over to you.
The International Taxation Wing of Income Tax Department has issued notices to at least 40 such fintechs, involved in the lending activities through mobile application. In fact, in the past fortnight, the notices were issued to these fintech under Section 133, seeking explanation over nature of transaction between the Indian arm and the foreign parent companies. Now, these companies are doing it that whatever the money has been remitted to the foreign parent companies showed as the fees for technical services. Now, what tax department is saying is that it couldn't be treated as FTS and it is rather the business profit, because somewhere they suspect that major chunk of the profit they earn here in India is remitted outside to its foreign parent companies where they are able to reduce their expense claims in India, and that will have a direct impact on the tax liability. So all these suspect is there, and that's why they are gathering more information on that. And besides, they are also ask them to furnish details as far as their rate of interest is concerned, and they have received so far from their customers, and in fact whether they are certified by Reserve Bank of India under microfinance regulation, and how their approach is when it comes to recovery, as far as default cases are concerned. And besides, they're also looking into the transfer pricing ruling as far as these transactions are concerned. So overall, they're gathering information, and they ask them to furnish the details by December 30th, which is today, and accordingly they will sort of form a view on how to take this case forward. And remember, this whole thing is coming at a time when center is quite vocal about the unregulated space of the lending activities, and in fact they have proposed a bill also in this regard. So it is interesting in a way where we are also tracking that how the enforcement action is parallelly happening as far as these fintech firms are concerned.
Okay, this could be the start of some very interesting things out there, because if regulatory action was needed somewhere, it was here for sure. So keep an eye out for what happens here next. May not have market implications, but certainly has implications for sure.